Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to edit drop-down list in Microsoft Word 2016. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to edit drop-down list. Go to the developer menu, then click the properties, and we can see here the content control properties. Now we change the title or the display name or value. Now I firstly change the title, select the title text and change it. You can change the value or color. Now I select the color drop down menu and change it, and then go to the display name option and click the display name, then click modify, then change the display name. Then click OK, and we can see we edit the drop down list very easily. Then click the drop down list and choose any. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.